السلام علیکم اسٹوڈنٹس، ویلکم ٹو مائی چینل۔ آج کی اس ویڈیو میں آپ کے ساتھ شیئر کروں گی دی الیکشن ایکٹ 2017۔ اس کے کمپلیٹ MCQs جو ہے وہ میں آپ کے ساتھ شیئر کروں گی۔ 6 دسمبر 2025 کو اسسٹنٹ الیکشن کمشنر کا جو پیپر ہے وہ ہونا ہے۔ اس کی رول نمبر سلپس اپلوڈ کر دی گئی ہیں ویب سائٹ پر، اور اس پیپر میں 20 مارکس کا جو پیپر ہے، 20 مارکس کی جو MCQs ہیں وہ الیکشن ایکٹ سے آنے ہیں، یعنی کہ MCQs کا جو سب سے زیادہ پورشن ہے وہ الیکشن ایکٹ سے ہے۔ اس لیے اس کو آپ نے اچھے طریقے سے پریپیئر کرنا ہے، ان MCQs کو کمپلیٹ پڑھیں۔ اس کے علاوہ اگر آپ اسسٹنٹ الیکشن کمشنر کی کمپلیٹ پریپریشن کرنا چاہتے ہیں تو میں ایک ہی ویڈیو میں تمام سبجیکٹس جو الیکشن کے پیپر میں جن پورشن سے MCQs آئے گا، ایک ہی لیکچر میں کمپلیٹ پریپریشن آپ کے ساتھ شیئر کروں گی۔ اگر آپ وہ لیکچر دیکھنا چاہتے ہیں تو اس چینل کو سبسکرائب کر کے ساتھ میں موجود بیل آئیکن کو پریس کر لیں۔ میں انشاءاللہ جلد ہی اس کو اپلوڈ کر دوں گی، اور جیسے ہی میں اپلوڈ کروں تو آپ کے پاس نوٹیفیکیشن آ جائے۔ سٹارٹ کرتے ہیں آج کے اس لیکچر کو۔ The Election Act 2017 was adopted in which month? In October 2017. The Election Act 2017 has the following features. It extends to the whole of Pakistan. The two salient features of the Act are that number 1, it extends to the whole of Pakistan, and the number 2, it shall came into force at once. کیونکہ MCQs میں یہ والا ایک آپشن گیون ہے اٹ ایکسٹینڈس ٹو دی ہول آف پاکستان، اس لیے یہ کریکٹ ہے۔ ان دی الیکشن ایکٹ 2017 دیر آر 2 requirements that must be fulfilled by a scholar in order to be considered an عالم۔ ایک اس کی ایجوکیشن سے ریلیٹڈ ہے، اور دوسری جو ہے وہ the number of years of experience سے ریلیٹڈ ہے۔ In order to be considered an alim, according to Election Act 2017, a scholar must possess a degree or sanad of at least 16 years of education. In the Election Act 2017, an alim refers to a scholar who holds at least 20 years of experience in the teaching or researching in principles and philosophy of Islam and Islamic law. Applicable local government law means an act of the Parliament of Pakistan or of a provincial assembly for establishment of a local government and includes an ordinance. The exact term used in the act to refer to an election held to fill a casual vacancy is by-election, BYE election. Code in the Act refers to the Code of Criminal Procedure 1898, Act Dash of 1898, Act 5 of. In the Act, the Commissioner means both Chief Election Commissioner appointed under Article 213 and an acting Chief Election Commissioner appointed under Article 217. Which of the following is true with regards to election agents under this Act? It refers to a person appointed by a candidate as his election agent. It may refer to the candidate themselves too. Both A and B are correct. Under the Act, what does election expenses refers to? Any expenditure incurred before, during, and after the election. An electoral area in rural areas, according to the Act, refers to which of the following? A census block. According to the Act, in rural areas, an electoral area refers to a village or census block. Hence, option B is the correct answer. With regard to urban areas, how many different definitions of electoral area exist? 3 different definitions. In urban areas, an electoral area may refer to number 1, a municipal ward or census block. If there is none of these, then number 2, a well-defined muhalla or a street. But where the ward or a census block, muhalla or street is too big, then number 3, there should be a well-defined part thereof. تو کتنی طرح کی ڈیفینیشن ہے؟ 3 طرح کی ڈیفینیشن ہے of electoral area with regards to urban areas. With regard to urban electoral areas, which of the following is not to be divided except under exceptional circumstances? Census block. As per the Act, a census block shall not be divided except in exceptional circumstances for reasons to be recorded. Hence, option B is correct. Under the Act, dash means a person authorized by the Commission to observe the conduct of an election observer. Which of the following can be termed as election official? District returning officer. Electoral rolls include the electoral rolls prepared under the Electoral Rolls Act 1974, XXI of 1974. Under the Act, government means which of the following? Federal government. What is the exact term used in the Act to refer to the federal government, a provincial government, or a local government? Any government. Which of the following is not included in government dues and utility expenses? Dues whose recovery has been stayed by a tribunal. According to the Act, such expenses do include the government dues and utility expenses, the recovery of which has been stayed by any order of the court or tribunal. Under the Act, loan means any loan, advance or credit or finance obtained or written off on or after 31st of December 1985. Which of the following does not refer to member of the Election Commission? Act states that member refers to the member of an assembly, the Senate, or a local government. Hence, option B is correct answer. National Database and Registration Authority means the National Database and Registration Authority constituted under the National Database and Registration Authority Ordinance 2000, Article 8 of 2000. In addition to participation in elections for any elective public office or for membership of a legislative body, what other activity does a political party engage in according to the Act? Influencing political option. Under the Act, presiding officer means presiding officer appointed under this Act for a polling station, an assistant presiding officer performing the functions of a presiding officer. Both A and B are correct. Provisional means unofficial and not final. A returned candidate means a candidate who has been declared elected. As per the Act, such a candidate refers to a candidate who has been declared elected as a member under this Act. Dash means a person appointed under this Act to hear and dispose of claims and objections and applications for corrections relating to the electoral rolls, revising authority. How many criteria must be fulfilled in order to be considered a technocrat under this Act? 2 criteria, one of which is regarding to the education of a person, while the other is about work experience. Which of the following is included in the criteria to be considered a technocrat? Possessing a 16-year education with an HEC recognized degree and having work experience of about 20 years. Under the Act, a candidate whose nomination paper has been accepted is termed as validity nominated candidate. How many different definitions of a voter are there in relation to an assembly or local government? 1 definition. A voter is a person who is enrolled as a voter on the electoral roll of any electoral area in a constituency. Hence, option A is correct. Voter has only 1 definition with respect to assembly or a local government. How many different definitions of a voter are there in relation to the Senate? 3. There are 3 different definitions based on whether it is for election to a seat from number 1, a province, number 2, the capital, Islamabad territory, or number 3, the now former federally administered tribal areas. Voter has 1 definition with relation to assembly or a local government and 3 definition in relation to the Senate. The procedure of Election Commission of Pakistan is regulated by the Election Commission itself. A matter shall be placed for decision before the full commission comprising all its members in which of the following scenarios? where the members attending the proceedings of the commission are 3 and there is difference of opinion amongst them, where the members attending the proceedings of the commission are 4 and they are equally divided in their opinion. Any of the above answer is correct. Under the Act, the Commission shall have the power to issue such directions or orders as may be necessary for the performance of its functions and duties. This does not include an order for the cancellation of any relevant document. A direction or order issued by the Commission necessary for the performance of its functions and duties shall be executed as if it had been issued by the High Court. Under the Act, it shall be the duty of all executive authorities in the dash and in the dash to render such assistance to the Commissioner and the Commission in the discharge of his or its functions as may be required by the Commissioner or the Commission. The Federation and the Provinces. It shall be the duty of all executive authorities in the Federation and in the provinces to render such assistance to the Commissioner and the Commission. For the performance of the Commission's functions, which of the following shall make their staff available to the Commission, Federal Government, each provincial government, the judiciary, in consultation with the CJP? All of the above are correct. Under the Act, the Commissioner shall constitute benches to hear and decide complaints, applications, petitions or appeals filed before it. How many members shall be part of such benches? 3 or more. Which of the following entities are not included in the list of entities that may, upon request of the Commission, requisition a vehicle, vessel or other means of transportation as is needed or is likely to be needed for the purpose of transporting to and from any polling station, ballot boxes or other election material? The Federal Government. As per Section 7, Subsection 1, a provincial government, deputy commissioner, political agent or head of district administration, by whatever name called, shall upon a request made in this behalf by the Commission. Since this does not include the federal government, hence option B is correct. The Commission shall have the power to stop the polls at polling stations due to large-scale malpractices. Which of the practices are included in this? Coercion, intimidation, pressures, all of the above are correct. Commission may presume that the women voters have been restrained through an agreement from casting their votes and may declare polling at one or more polling stations or election in the whole constituency void if the turnout of women voters is less than %, is less than 10%. Under Section 9, power of the Commission to declare a poll void, it is stated that notwithstanding the publication of the name of a returned candidate under Section 98, the Commission may exercise its powers for the recasting of votes before the expiration of 60 days after such publication. Any person aggrieved by the declaration of the Commission under the section relating to the declaration of a poll as void may within 30 days of the declaration prefer an appeal to the Supreme Court. The section Power to Punish for Contempt states that the Commission may exercise the same power as the High Court to publish any person for contempt of the court. Under the Act, the remuneration payable to the Commissioner, members and other officers and staff of the Commission and all administrative expenses and other expenditure relating to the Commission shall be expenditure charged upon the Federal Consolidated Fund. With regards to the section titled Measures for Training and Public Awareness, which of the following is not one of the themes that Commission shall conduct public awareness programs and media campaigns about guidance regarding ideal candidate selection criteria? The functions of the transparent results management system does not include expeditious counting of results, tabulation, compilation of results, transmission or dissemination or publication of results, all of the mentioned are included. Under the Act, the presiding officer shall immediately take snapshot of the result of the count, and as soon as connectivity is available and it is practicable, electronically send it to the Commission. Under the Act, the returning officer shall compile the provincial results forthwith and on or before 2 a.m. the day immediately following the polling day. Which of the following shall the returning officer electronically send to the Commission? Scanned copy of the provincial results and scanned copies of the consolidated statement of the results of the count. Not integrated statement, consolidated statement. Regarding the documents that the returning officer shall send to the Commission, he or she shall send scanned copies of all documents, original copies of all documents. Both A and B are correct. The Commission shall prepare the action plan at least 4 months before the general election is due to be held. Which of the following is not included in the action plan? Allocation of symbols, arrangements for election observers, introduction of any new technology. All of the above are included. Under the Act, the Commission shall within 90 days after the end of every calendar year publish a report of its activities for the year and send the report to the federal government and each provincial government. The seats reserved for women and non-Muslims in the National Assembly and in each provincial assembly are as per Articles 51 and 106 respectively. Under the Act, a province shall be a single constituency for all seats reserved for women, which are allocated to each province in Article 51. With regards to the delimitation of constituencies, as far as possible, variation in the population of constituencies of an assembly or a local government shall not ordinarily exceed 10%. Any amendments, alterations or modifications in the preliminary list of constituencies made by the Commission as per received representations shall, within the period of 30 days from the last date fixed for making representation, publish in the official gazette and on its website the final report and list of constituencies showing the areas included in each constituency. The preparation, revision, correction and amendment of the electoral rolls for an electoral area or group of electoral area is a responsibility of registration officer. Under the Act, a person shall be entitled to be enrolled as a voter in an electoral area if he is not declared by a competent court to be of unsound mind. The preliminary electoral rolls prepared under Section 26 shall be published and displayed by the registration officer for a period of not less than 30 days. Which of the following is the title of the official appointed for receiving and deciding claims, objections and applications for correction of the preliminary electoral rolls for any electoral area or group of electoral areas? Revising authority. The responsibility of the correction of electoral rolls fall on the registration officer. The publication of the final electoral roll for each electoral area is the responsibility of the registration officer. Which of the following is not a reason for the periodic version of the electoral roll by the registration officer, so as to include the name of any qualified person whose name does not appear in such roll, so as to delete the name of any person who has died or who is or has become disqualified for enrollment, or for correcting any entry or for supplying any omission in such roll. All of these are valid reasons. Under what conditions shall the roll for an electoral area or part of the electoral area shall stand cancelled and that a fresh electoral roll be prepared? Due to any gross error or irregularity in or in the preparation of an electoral roll, charges in the limits of that electoral area, large-scale displacement of population due to natural calamity, All of the above are correct. No revision, correction or transfer be made with respect to an electoral roll during the period beginning 30 days before the day on which the term of an assembly or a local government is due to expire. The Commission shall inform the general public about the cut-off date for revisions, corrections or transfers regarding electoral rolls through which means of the following: website, press release, both A and B. The maintenance of the electoral rolls as revised and corrected is the responsibility of the registration officer. Revised and corrected electoral rolls are open to inspection for whom? The general public. When do electoral rolls for any electoral area come into force? Immediately upon publication. The authority in charge of any register of births and deaths shall submit relevant information regarding deceased persons from the register on prescribed form to the registration officer concerned on quarterly basis. A person shall not be enrolled on the electoral roll for any electoral area more than twice, on the electoral rolls for more than 2 electoral areas. Neither A nor B is the correct option. Section 45 clauses A and B state that a person shall not be enrolled on an electoral roll for any electoral area more than once and on the electoral rolls for more than one electoral area, which means neither of the options A and B are correct. Hence, option D is the correct answer, where the variation in the disaggregated data highlighting the difference in the number of registered man and woman voters is more than 10% in a constituency, the Commission shall take special measures to reduce such variation. Which of the following are included in the measures that shall be taken to reduce variation in disaggregated data highlighting the difference in number of registered man and woman voters? Action to expedite the issuance of national identity cards for women of such constituency by NADRA. Which of the following groups are not included in the sections of the society for which special measures shall be taken by the Commission to register them in the electoral rolls as voters? Persons with disabilities, non-Muslims, transgender citizens, all of these are included. As stated in the Act, which of the following groups is not an option for the appointment of a district returning officer by selection from a list of officers provided only by the government? How many constituencies shall a returning officer be appointed to? 1, but may be appointed for more in exceptional circumstances. The returning officer has to submit a list of presiding officers to the district returning officer at least 30 days before the polling day. Which of the following is responsible for conducting the polls and maintaining order at the polling station? Presiding officer. Any election official appointed by the Commission shall remain under the control, superintendence and discipline of the Commission for what time period? From the date of appointment or deputation till publication of the name of the returned candidate in the official gazette. Which of the following is not a listed reason included in the reasons for which an election official may be suspended? Influences or attempts to influence in any manner the polling staff or a voter. Interferes or attempts to interfere with a voter when he casts his vote. Obstructs or prevents or attempts to obstruct or prevent the conduct of a fair and impartial poll. All of these are listed reasons. Inquiry officers must complete their inquiry proceedings regarding election officials charged with malpractices within 30 days of reference to him and submit the inquiry report to the Commission within 7 days of the completion of inquiry. The Dash has the responsibility to announce the date or dates of general elections. The President. The last date for filing of appeals against acceptance or rejection of nominations is the 4th day following the last date for the scrutiny of nominations, or if that day is a public holiday, the next succeeding day which is not a public holiday. Within 1 week after appointment of returning officer, The Commission shall provide, in the prescribed format, a list of proposed polling stations for each constituency to the said officer of that constituency. As far as practicable, not more than 1200 voters shall be assigned to a polling station and not more than 300 voters shall be assigned to a polling booth. The preliminary list of polling stations inviting suggestions and objections, if any, to be filed within 21 days of its publication, shall be published outside of the office of which official? Returning officer. Which of the following may not be premise for the location of a polling station? Any premise which belongs to a candidate. Section 59, subsection 10 states that a polling station shall be situated in any government building in that constituency, and where no government building is available, a polling station may be established in a building owned by a private educational institution registered with the concerned education authorities. And subsection 11 states that a polling station shall not be located in any premises which belongs to or is under the direct or indirect control of the candidate. Hence, only option C is a premise which may not be used and is the correct answer. A surveillance camera may be installed at a polling station on the declaration of returning officer about a polling station being highly sensitive. Every candidate for member must take a declaration that he fulfills the qualifications specified in Article 62 and is not subject to any of the disqualifications specified in Article 63 for being elected as a member. Every candidate for member must present a statement of his assets and liabilities and of his spouse and dependent children as on the preceding 30th day of June on Form B. Which day? 30th day of June on Form B. Authorization in favor of an advocate shall be attested by which of the following? A notary appointed under the Notaries Ordinance 1961, an oath commissioner appointed under the Oaths Act 1873, any government servant in basic pay scale 17 and above. All of the above are correct. With regards to nomination, the returning officer shall not do which of the following? Make the nomination papers along with annexures open to inspection by election officials only, issue unofficial copies of these documents in such manner and on payment of such fee as may be prescribed, neither A nor B. Section 60, subsection 7 clauses A and B state that the returning official shall A. Make the nomination papers along with annexures open to inspection by the public, and B. Issue certified copies of these documents in such manner and on payment of such fee as may be prescribed. The returning officer shall not accept a nomination paper for election to a seat in the National Assembly unless a sum of 30,000 rupees is deposited by the candidate or by any person on his behalf. The returning officer shall not accept a nomination paper for election to a seat in the Provincial Assembly unless a sum of 20,000 rupees is deposited by the candidate or by any person on his behalf. The deposit amount that a candidate is to submit to the returning officer may be submitted via which of the following means? In cash with the returning officer, or through bank draft drawn in favor of the returning officer, or in cash in a specified account with any branch of the National Bank of Pakistan, receipt of which should be produced before the returning officer. All of the above are correct. The appellate tribunal to which a candidate may file an appeal against the decision of the returning officer rejecting or accepting a nomination paper shall consist of a person who is a judge of a high court. A contesting candidate may retire from the election by notice in writing signed by him and delivered to the returning officer on any day not later than 4 days before the polling day by the candidate himself or by an advocate authorized in writing by the candidate. Which of the following is not required to be carried out before issuing a ballot paper to a voter? He shall be required to receive a personal mark made with indelible ink or any finger or thumb of the right hand as indicated by the Commission. Where a poll is stopped, the returning officer shall immediately report the circumstances to the Commission. The presiding officer shall not allow any person to be present at the court other than which of the following: election officials on duty in connection with the poll, the contesting candidates, election agents of the contesting agents, all of the above. Which of the following is not a point listed in the list of items to be included in the ballot paper account? The number of issued and unissued ballot papers. Which of the following may cast their votes by postal ballot? A person appointed by the returning officer, including police personnel, for the performance of any duty in connection with an election at polling station other than the one at which he is entitled to cast his vote. A person detained in a prison or held in custody. Both A and B are correct. An overseas Pakistani refers to someone who is working or residing abroad permanently or temporarily for not less than 6 months. Where after consolidation of the results of the court there is equality of votes between two contesting candidates, the returning officer shall declare both the candidates as returned and each one of them shall be entitled to represent his constituency in the respective assembly for half of its term of office. What determines which candidate shall serve for the first half? Drawing of a lot. Section 99 subsection 2 states the returning officer shall draw a lot in respect of the returned candidates referred to in subsection 1 to determine as to who shall serve as member of the assembly for the first half of its term of office. Hence option C is correct. On receipt of the final consolidated result from the returning officer, the Commission shall, within 14 days from the date of the poll, publish in the official gazette the name of the contesting candidate who has received the highest number of votes and stands elected. Dash means a specially designed bag approved by the Commission having one or more indicators which, if breached, can reasonably be expected to provide visible evidence that tampering has occurred. Tamper evidence bag. Under the Act, the Commission may conduct pilot projects for utilization of electronic voting machines and biometric verification system in the by-elections to assess which of the following about these machines: technical efficacy, financial feasibility, security, all of the above. A candidate contesting election on a seat reserved for women or non-Muslim shall, along with the nomination papers and its annexures, submit to the returning officer which of the following documents: a copy of the party list of the candidate's political party for such seats. With regards to conducting of election to the Senate, the returning officer shall effectively conduct an election under this Act and the rules. Candidates for election to the Senate must submit a sum of 20,000 rupees either in cash to the returning officer or submit it at any branch of the National Bank of Pakistan, at a government treasury, a sub-treasury, any of the above. With regard to the election to the Senate, for the purpose of the disposal of an appeal, the Commission shall have some powers as are vested in accord under the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, Act 5 of 1908. The term of office of a member of the Senate shall commence on the date of the first meeting of the Senate held after the names of the persons elected to the Senate are notified by the Commission. For election to the Senate, the election expenses of a contesting candidate shall not exceed 1,500,000 rupees. For election to the National Assembly, the election expenses of a contesting candidate shall not exceed 4 million rupees. Every member of an Assembly and Senate shall submit to the Commission on or before 31st of December each year a copy of his statement of assets and liabilities, including assets and liabilities of his spouse and dependent children, as on the preceding 30th day of June on Form B. For settling a dispute related to the election to an Assembly or the Senate, the election tribunal shall comprise of which of the following: a person who is or has been a judge of a high court. An election petition regarding an election dispute shall be presented to the election tribunal within 45 days of the publication in the official gazette of the name of returned candidate. If an election petition is not finally decided within 120 days, further adjournment sought by the party shall be granted only on payment of special costs of 10,000 rupees per adjournment. Dash shall, if an election tribunal requires, assist the tribunal at the hearing of an election petition in such a manner as it may requires the Advocate General for a province. An appeal against the decision of an election tribunal in respect of an election petition challenging election to an Assembly or Senate has to be filed to a district court, the High Court, neither A nor B. A petition challenging election to the Assembly or Senate has to be filed to Supreme Court, not District Court, not High Court. The election tribunal shall declare the election as a whole to be void if it is satisfied that the result of the election has been materially affected by the reason of the failure to comply with the provisions of this Act or the rules in connivance with the returned candidate, the prevalence of extensive corruption or illegal practices at the election, either A or B. A person is guilty of the offence of corrupt practices if he causes or attempts to cause any person present and waiting to vote at the polling station to depart without voting, calls upon or persuades any person to vote or to refrain from voting for any candidate on the ground that he belongs to a particular religion, province, community, race, caste, biradari, sect or tribe. Both A and B qualify as valid offences of the corruption. A person is guilty of personation if he votes or applies for a ballot paper for voting as some other person, whether that other person is living or dead or fictitious. If a person takes possession of a polling station or a polling booth or a place fixed for the poll and allows his supporters to exercise their right to vote while preventing others from free exercise of their right to vote, he is guilty of what offence? Capturing a polling station or a booth. A person is guilty of the offence of illegal practice if he votes or applies for a ballot paper for voting more than once in the same polling station, votes or applies for a ballot paper for voting in more than one polling station for the same election. Both A and B are correct. No person shall convene, hold or attend any public meeting or promote or join in any procession within the area of a constituency or in the case of the Senate election, a province during a period of 48 hours ending at the midnight following the conclusion of the poll for any election in that constituency or province. A person guilty of the offence of illegal practice shall be punishable with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 2 years or with fine which may extend to 100,000 rupees or with both. An election official shall be guilty of breach of official duty if he, in the conduct or mismanagement of an election or maintenance of order at a polling station, does which of the following? Persuades any person to give his vote, influences in any manner the voting of any person, any of the above. If a person is enrolled on the electoral roll for any electoral area more than once, or on the electoral rolls for more than one electoral area, the person or any registration office who knowingly enrolls a voter for more than once shall be punishable with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 6 months, or with fine not exceeding 100,000 rupees, or with both. An officer exercising the powers of a civil or criminal court, or an officer of the armed forces, or an officer performing a duty in connection with an election who is authorized by the Commission in this behalf may exercise the powers of a magistrate of the first class under the code in the respect of the offences of personation or capturing of polling station or polling booth. A police officer may arrest without warrant, notwithstanding anything contained in the code, any person who commits personation or an offence under the Act, if the presiding officer directs him to arrest such person. Under the Act, which of the following are listed as punishable under the Pakistan Penal Code? Attack the polling station or polling booth. For offences punishable under the Pakistan Penal Code, the head of District Police shall send a copy of the first information report to the Court of Competition Jurisdiction. Which of the following are acts that political parties shall not do under the Act? Promote sectarian, regional or provincial hatred or animosity, impart any military or paramilitary training to its members or other persons, propagate any opinion or act in a manner prejudicial to the fundamental principles enshrined. All of the above are correct. Which of the following is not included in the list of items that the constitution of a political party must have? The aims and objectives of the political party, organizational structure of the political party at different levels, membership fee to be paid by the member if applicable. All of the above are included. Under the Act, which of the following is not true with regards to membership of political parties? A political party shall encourage marginalized groups such as persons with disabilities to become its members. A political party, while making the selections of the candidates on general seats, shall ensure at least 5% representation of women candidates. A political party shall within 7 days from the completion of intra-party elections submit a certificate signed by an office bearer authorized by the party head to the Commission to the effect that the elections were held in accordance with the constitution of the political party, and this act to elect the office bearers at the federal, provincial and local levels wherever applicable. A political party has to submit to the Commission within 60 days from the close of a financial year a consolidated statement of its accounts audited by the chartered accountant. A political party shall furnish to the Commission the list of contributors who have donated or contributed an amount equal to or more than 100,000 rupees to the political party for its election campaign expenses. Where a political party is dissolved under the Act, what happens to any member of such political party if he is a member of the Majlis-e-Shura Parliament, a provincial assembly or a local government? He shall be disqualified for the remaining term. Which of the following is not included in the list of items that must be included in the application by a political party for the allocation of a symbol of its choice? Address of the head office of the political party, the list of symbols applied for in order of preference, symbol or symbols if any allocated to the political party during the previous general elections. All of these are included. With regards to conduct of elections to the local governments, and as the case may be, a union council includes a union committee, a village council, a neighborhood council, all of the above. Which of the following shall not be done by the caretaker government? Transfer public officials unless it is considered expedient and after approval of the Commission. Which of the following from a caretaker government is responsible for submitting a statement of assets and liabilities to the Commission? The Prime Minister, a Chief Minister, a Minister, any of the above. Which of the following laws is not included in the list of laws repealed under this Act. The Senate Election Act 1975, the Allocation of Symbols Order 2002, the Political Parties Order 2002, Chief Executive's Order number 18 of 2002. All of these have been repealed.